Hey there, it's Jenny, and today I am here to share with you the month of April in my journal. This is the other half of the Cocoa Daisy Planner, the horizontal pages. If you ever watch my memory planner videos, you know I have talked about this planner in the past, and I will link it up below in case you want to take a look at what I'm talking about. I am using this planner for journaling, and I'm using some prompts, and I will link those for you below as well. I accidentally punched the inserts on the wrong side, so that's why I have to put the washi on the edges. I didn't do it for the whole year, only part of the year, so at some point I will be able to stop punching. However, that is not here yet. I'm going to be planning the whole month. So I am stamping the date for the month. You saw that at the top. And then for this first week, I'm using the Cocoa Daisy Meadow sticker collections. They're so pretty and very, very spring, and I was really inspired to use them here because I love just the spring feel. Now, this is really basic decoration because there is so much writing in this journal. Like I add so much text to it. So it makes the most sense for me to minimally decorate. So you saw over there, I added two box stickers and then just one little butterfly, creating my little cluster. And then down at the bottom, I did a similar thing with the box, but I turned it over on its side. And now up at the top, I've added this little washi strip that I tore at the edge just for that fun little extra bit, and then the cute little umbrella. It doesn't really rain here in Southern California, and I don't really like rain, but just the cute umbrella is very springish, and I do enjoy having that there. Now I'm using the roller date stamp so that I can add the date to each of the blocks. I don't worry about adding the date to the Saturday portion, which is down at the bottom on the right hand side, because there are plenty of other dates for me to know what the date is, and also I don't really intend to journal absolutely every single day. Now I am again adding the washi. This is a really fun, it's got a navy blue background in case you can't tell, and then just a bunch of different colors. And I thought it would be fun to use with the Miss Maker collection of stickers from the Happy Planner. So I will use this sticker book to decorate this week. Again, I will keep it nice and simple. Like I said already, this is really the focus is on the words and the journaling, and that's what inspires me versus so much the decor. The decor here is just to make the whole thing cohesive and cheerful along with my journaling. Now I'm using some Studio Calico stamps here, and I wanted to flip through the book to see what colors were included that I had ink pads to match so that I could coordinate those two things together. So I'll stamp the background, which is there's an April stamp that's bigger and then a script that I like to work together. But first I'm going to add these cute little decorations. You see I have the full box and I did flip that on its side as well. And then the circle sticker in the corner, I really love how circles immediately change up a layout for sure. Kind of the same thing with those little flags over on the right hand side, though not quite as much. I just love the layering and adding the background, the anchor, and then the accent. They just really provides, having a formula like that provides a lot of ease in decorating nearly anything in paper crafting, just keeping in mind those three elements and then spacing them together. Now there's the background April stamp that I talked about. I pulled out that purple Stamp Market ink cube, and again, I will link those for you below. They have the best inks. They are my very favorite dye inks. And of course, the Versifying the Black is my favorite overall ink. Now, I also loved how on Monday I just added those three of those decorative stickers to create a little cluster too. So much fun and really just very easy to use, especially when you have a whole bunch of little shaped stickers. It can be hard to use those, definitely a challenge. Now I'm trying to get this washi off. Let this be a lesson to you all. Do not store washi in a sunny window. I did this for quite some time actually, and I knew it probably wasn't great for the washi. It ruined a lot of the rolls. However, instead I'm pulling out this brand new Simply Gilded roll. It has cute little silver foil bunnies on it, so it's all right. And honestly, I was never going to use all the washi that I owned anyway, so it's really not that big of a deal that I have ruined a few rolls. I just feel a little bit bad about it. It's kind of like throwing money in the garbage, am I right? All right, so now I'm just going to trim those off and then trim the edges with my scissors just to make them set. Now I'm going to use the Cocoa Daisy Meadow Collection stickers yet again. They're so cute, and like I said already, they just really feel like spring. And I have quite a few left now that we are moving into May, or getting closer to May anyway, and I'm sort of starting to think about that type of day also. Now you can see I put the full box down right there, and then I also added that little washi strip and just a couple of decorative stickers that tie together. So I'm sort of treating it like one sticker, if you will, the little swoosh or wind and the umbrella. Now down below I'm also just adding a few little cluster of butterflies, 3 of them of course, for the decoration, just to keep it a little bit lighter. Some of these can feel really heavy when there's so many big box stickers. I wanted a little bit more space, physical space for sure, and then also visual space as well. I just didn't want there to be taking up so much room. Now I will stamp again. These are so cute. These stamps are so adorable. And I'm just going to use the Stamp Market ink cube once again to stamp up there at the top. These are from the Sassy Club. I don't know if she has them still in the store, but I'll look and check them out and link you up below. So now I finish with the date right there and the roller date stamp, as you know, and then we will finish with this last week. I'm going to use this washi. It is a super, super old roll from a Be Happy box several years ago. And these, I think it's This Is Your Year is maybe the name of the sticker book. I just absolutely love it. It's so pretty. I use it quite a bit actually. And I have 2 of the sticker books because I enjoy it so much. And then obviously I have had the Be Happy box. So now I'm going to flip through, and initially I wanted to use that big purple sticker, but I decided that I was going to stick with the aquas and navy blues this week and just use that little hand sticker up in the left hand corner. Again, sort of the same idea as I talked about already about using not quite so much visual space. Like sometimes the decorations feel a little bit overwhelming, especially when there's going to be so much text and so much writing. So there'll be 2 more clusters. The long sticker that I'm going to add just a couple of those really branch heavy little florals, so sweet. And then up in the right hand section, put this one bigger floral, so pretty, and a tiny little phrase sticker as well. I absolutely love how that turned out. It's really pretty, very light, and will definitely leave me a lot of room for writing. Now I love this color of Lagoon ink from Close to My Heart. It's so pretty. And I also just love how their inks, they store so nicely. They have a little magnetic packaging. It's absolutely wonderful. I can't say enough great things about the packaging of the Close to My Heart stamps, their stamp pads, and the colors. They have a wide variety of colors available as well. I probably only have 6 or 7 of them at this point, but they're just absolutely beautiful. Now, if you don't have a roller date stamp and you do any sort of undated planning or memory keeping, you absolutely need one. They are like $6 or $7 on Amazon, and they are just so versatile, and you can use them for so many different things, and then they're very easy to use. So now for this last week, I'm just going to use this detailed floral sticker book. It's so pretty, and I just find that the flowers in this book are stunning. Now I've put down the full box, and then this is more like a monthly box, and I really just need a little accent right here. So just one little flower just to, like I said, act as the accent. Now this Rise and Shine sticker, it's not one I would ever use. It's just not a phrase that I would put in my planner. So I used it as the background, covered it up with the cute florals, and then added a little sticker strip as my decoration. So now you can see down at the bottom also just that one big floral. It does the same thing that I talked about already, which is it just adds a little extra space. Now I'm going to use this really random, it's washi tape. It's yellow. It says admission, and it kind of reminds me of like tickets and that kind of thing. I was just sort of envisioning here in Carlsbad, California, there is flower fields, and so I was sort of, this was kind of all mimicking that for me with the admission washi and the florals and stuff like that. So you know what I'm going to do next? I'm just going to add the dates and the month, and that's it for me. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and I will do my very best to get back to you. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.